Hi, thank you. QuickPenny is a free API that enables PayPal features for banks and credit unions. With QuickPenny, bank customers can pay merchants straight from their bank app. They can pay their friends straight from their bank app. The advantage to banks and credit unions is threefold. 1, increased revenue. 2, increased customer engagement. And 3, decreased cost. Let me show you how it works. So this is a fake merchant that I set up purely for demonstration purposes. And you'll note that if I refresh, the dollar amounts and the bank account numbers, they change. Now, we're used to a Pay with PayPal button at the bottom of all of these checkout tabs. Imagine a Pay with QuickPenny button. Instead of taking you to PayPal to pay, it takes you to your bank app or credit union app to pay that way. This is the one and only page that QuickPenny has where QuickPenny will interface with the end user. Aside from that one page, all the interactivity is between QuickPenny and merchants and QuickPenny and banks. So this is a demonstration bank. There is no celerity savings. This would look however your bank landing page would look. Any password logs into celerity savings. The security is very lax. Now you'll notice here that the dollar balance and the account numbers, they tie to what was there earlier. So there's a number of advantages to this method of paying for both the bank, the customer, and also the merchant. From the bank's perspective, this is a new touch point that they don't have with their customer today. This would also be an increased revenue opportunity for them. There would be interchange fees that would be associated with a transaction that was made in this manner. It wouldn't be through Visa or MasterCard. It would be through an alternative QuickPenny payment network. QuickPenny would take a small piece of those interchange fees. Most of it would go to the bank or credit union. That would be QuickPenny's business model. The advantage to the customer is that they don't have to remember to type in their credit card numbers. They probably have memorized their bank username and password. They're also doing business with the bank they already do business with that they know and trust. They don't need another service, a PayPal or a Venmo, to make purchases this way. The last advantage to customers is that their sensitive financial information is shielded from the merchant. The last several years have demonstrated that there are major Fortune 500 retailers that aren't capable of safeguarding sensitive information. QuickPenny, it helps alleviate that problem by not sharing the information with the merchant in the first place. It's kept entirely within the financial system. So that is how QuickPenny works for merchant payment. Let me show you how it would work for peer-to-peer payments. So this is another fake bank. It exists only for demonstration purposes. I just requested $20.01. This is online. You can request however much money. The bank is making a call to the QuickPenny API, which is then returning this URL address. And so if you were requesting money, this would be the end of your experience. You would email or text this to a friend. I'm going to go ahead and assume that has happened. And so now this would be from the sender's perspective. This would be the first page that they would see. This is, again, the only page that QuickPenny has that interfaces with end users, and with cookies, it could even be skipped in the future. You go back to celerity savings here, log in, and you'll see the $20. It ties to the $20 here, and the bank account numbers, they tie to the bank account numbers here. So the advantage of this to banks is they're keeping this customer engagement within their application. For customers, they are not having to rely on a third party. From here, the transaction will be executed over ACH. QuickPenny is designed to leverage the ACH payment rails to keep costs down for banks and credit unions as much as possible. And that would be pretty much how QuickPenny works for now. Now, there is a future roadmap here where QuickPenny would, in the future, provide geolocation tagging and identity of the device tagging to help monitor for fraud. So if your customer in Minnesota happened to show up in Russia and you know that he normally uses an iPhone and suddenly he's buying a $2,000 watch with an Android, that would be flagged as a fraudulent, possibly fraudulent transaction. So if you are a bank or credit union and you're looking to increase revenue, increase customer engagement, or decrease cost, please come and talk to me. Why would you send your customers to PayPal or Venmo to have services that you could provide yourselves with PayPal? You can learn more at quickpenny.com, and I'm on LinkedIn, Andrew Hundle. Thank you.